Hello, this week we're going to discuss healthcare laws and solutions as related to human resources in healthcare organizations. Competencies will be to apply complex healthcare laws and effective solutions within the constraints of policy, law, regulations, and ethical principles in the management of healthcare organizations. We'll break that down to identify the purpose of the American Disability Act on a clinical facility. We're going to discuss approaches that healthcare facilities may take to reasonably accommodate employees and consumers in order to comply with the laws. We're going to articulate three major legal, ethical, human resource labor laws and identify labor laws' impact on healthcare organizations and consumers. Again, part of our reading is from the McWay text, Chapter 14, Human Resource Management. Our discussion has to do with the American Disabilities Act. So, American Disabilities Act was enacted in 1990. I want you to discuss the financial impact to implement portions or all of the American Disabilities Act of 1990 in a clinical setting or any other industry setting, and discuss what types of reasonable accommodations can be made without causing undue financial hardship to employer. Thank you, and I'll see you online.